Hey, what's up? My name is Mikel Anthony and I'm gonna show you 4 dishes using a vacuum sealer. This first is Bulgogi short ribs. It's Asian flavors with French technique. I made a Bulgogi sauce to marinate short ribs. The process is paused several times before the vacuum is reached. This opens the cell structure, which enables the product to fully absorb and marinate super fast. I also used the tenderize function, then sous vide for 24 hours. I cooked carrots and quick pickled cucumbers. I then dehydrated and fried sunchokes for texture. This dish is Bulgogi short ribs, carrots, pickled cucumber, Bulgogi mushrooms, radish kimchi, sunchoke chips, and puree. This second one is definitely more fun and an underrated technique. This dish is called chocolate campout, inspired by candied yams. I melted cocoa butter and chocolate and placed in a siphon and mold. Creating aero chocolate is fast and easy thanks to Heckelmann's tenderized vacuum function. With the tenderizing vacuum function, you can keep the vacuum chamber within a certain level of vacuum for a period of time. This will open the cell structure of the chocolate. This is an innovative technique. For the third dish, I used a more common technique with the vacuum sealer, and that is compression. I compressed honeydew. This is honeydew 5 ways. I compressed the honeydew in the Heckelmann Boxer 35 with fast infusion of Midori liqueur thanks to Heckelmann's marinating function. One of the standard programs of advanced control makes it easy. Just put the product in the chamber and start the vacuum cycle. I made fresh honeydew melon balls. Dehydrated honeydew as a chip and placed some in a mortar and pestle with salt to help bring out that sweetness. I also made a beautiful sorbet with the simple syrup, honeydew, and lime. This dish is simple, elegant, and refined. This last one I'm really proud of because I'm feeling a little Michelin. I used the vacuum sealer to make a custard and then served it in the eggshell. I removed the yolks and the whites from the duck eggs and separated them and made a custard with the yolks that I placed in a vacuum sealed bag to sous vide. Easy and clean packing of custard thanks to Heckelmann's liquid control. Soups, sauces, and other wet products quickly reach their boiling point during this phase. To prevent from boiling, Heckelmann developed the liquid control sensor. This dish is savory custard with bacon, smoked salmon, dill, and caviar, finished with a little bit of sherry. Thank you for watching. My name is Mikel Anthony. Like, subscribe, comment down below which was your favorite dish, and don't forget to follow Chef's Roll.